Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Our property viewing today is the magnificent and luxurious estate, Villa Amour. Located within the prestigious area of the Ocean Club Estates on the Bahamas Paradise Island, Villa Amour offers an experience of peace, relaxation, and luxury. Villa Amour's interior consists of an expansive 11,321 square feet, holding 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 3 half-bathroom shower areas. Villa Amour also rests upon a comfortable 0.58 acres of exterior land to enjoy. Signature features of Villa Amour include a grand entry 24-foot ceiling, a ground floor VIP suite with beautiful porcelain fixtures, a second floor family room with a balcony offering panoramic views, and a freestanding porcelain bathtub located in the master suite. Some additional features of Villa Amour include a beautiful and expansive pool with a jacuzzi located nearby, along with underground irrigation and landscape lighting to enhance Villa Amour's beauty and prestige even further. Some other important features include hurricane-ready impact doors and windows, along with a standby generator to ensure you stay safe and comfortable in case of emergencies. Now, let's take a closer look and truly explore Villa Amour. selling price for Villa Amour in US dollars is $8,295,000. Jamaican dollars, $1,333,448,624. Bahamian dollars, $8,297,024. Canadian, $11,637,450. Euros, $7,110,163. And British pounds, $6,182,501. Thank you for watching until the end, and we will see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.